I don't get it. Why does my savings account seem to just sit there? It's like my money is on vacation, doing absolutely nothing.
That's because your money isn't doing its best work, kiddo. You need to put it to work, let it hustle for you. You ever heard of compounding interest?
Compounding interest? Sounds like something you'd put in a science experiment. Is that how my money turns into more money?
Exactly. Compounding interest is like giving your money a little magic potion, and before you know it, it starts multiplying. You put a little money in an account, and then, poof. That interest earns more interest. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. The bigger it gets, the faster it rolls.
So my money's getting bigger, like it's on a diet of protein shakes?
Exactly. And to really understand the power of this magic trick, you've got to know the rule of 72.
Rule of 72? Are we playing by new rules now? Is that like a secret code?
No code, no secret handshake. The rule of 72 is simply a way to figure out how long it'll take for your money to double, based on your interest rate. Here's the deal. Take the number 72 and divide it by the interest rate you're earning. That tells you how many years it'll take for your investment to double.
Wait, so if I'm getting 8% interest, I just do 72 divided by 8? That's 9 years to double?
Bingo! So if you invest $1,000 at 8% in 9 years, you'll have $2,000. But wait, don't get too comfy because in 9 more years, you're at $4,000. And in 9 more years after that, boom, $8,000. Your money's working overtime.
Hold on, 9 years. So if I just let this compound, I can get richer without doing anything? I like the sound of that.
That's the dream. It's the reason they call it the eighth wonder of the world, kid. Albert Einstein himself said it was the most powerful force in the universe. Well, right after pizza.
Wait, Einstein said that? I thought he was too busy with relativity to worry about compound interest.
Just remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. He was busy, sure, but if you can understand compounding, you'll see the future a lot more clearly.
Okay. So if I start saving now, like right now, I can be a money wizard by the time I'm your age?
And if you get distracted by the latest gadget or fad, just remember, your money can grow even when you're sleeping. That's the spirit. Just be patient. The magic doesn't happen overnight, but it's worth the wait.
Looks like my money's going to have a very productive nap.
Exactly. Just keep feeding it interest and watch it grow.
All right, I'm opening up a savings account right now. Who needs a magic wand when you have compounding interest?
That's the way. And don't forget the rule of 72. It's your shortcut to financial superpowers.
So can I expect a yacht in 18 years, or is that pushing it?
With the rule of 72, if you're patient enough, you might just be sailing. But let's start with the savings account first, all right?